Today's May 14, 2022. It is a Saturday, and today's 299 days of web development. And today, well, yesterday, was it yesterday? Yeah. I worked on, for the first time, and like placing a video on my webpage, and I think that's what I'm gonna do today. So it's just gonna be simple. It's gonna be at the center of the webpage, and I already chose the video, and I chose the colors that I'm gonna use. So the only thing that is different is hopefully that I remember what to do, like how to do this, because I just learned it, so hopefully we'll remember how to do this. If not, it's fine, we'll just reference back to my old code. So what class container, and then do a video tag, and I think in the video, oh yeah, never mind, I don't remember him. What if I do, because there's not a source, is there? I think in the video there's a source tag, and in the source tag, I think you do an src, source, and then you put the video, copy video address, put that in there. Okay, see, it does work, but it's frozen, so I think in here I have to do like loop muted autoplay. It's not working. So it's loop muted autoplay, and I think I'm missing one more. But for the video itself, we can have like a width 500 and a height. Actually, we'll just have the width of 500, I guess. Oops, I deleted it. Okay, 500. I just don't know. So it's loop muted autoplay, and then what else? Let me look at day 298. Let me go to code. Loop muted autoplay. Oh, but it goes in the video tag, not the source tag. Okay, my bad. So let me just change this to over here, and then it should work. There we go. Perfect. How nice. What happened? Day 299. Okay. So now that's the easy part apparently, but that was actually the hard part. Easy part is actually just centering it. So I think I'll just take the container and give it a border so I can see what it looks like. 5 pixels black and a solid border, so it's a line. I think I'm gonna give it a height of 100. What is wrong with me? EH. And actually to everything, I'm gonna remove that padding and margin there. So I'm gonna do, actually, you know what I'll do? I'll have the body, I'll have the body, actually, okay, I want this to be centered, so I'll just do display flex, justify, content center, align items, center, and then I'll give the container a margin of, if I do 0, it cancels out that margin. Does it make sense? Oh, a padding. That does make sense because it's already interesting. Interesting. What if I give it a width? 500 pixels. And then a height of 100 VH, but then I'll give this also a display of flex, justify, content, center, align, items, center, and then give the container a padding of 50 pixels maybe, and then just not give it such an extreme height. Let's do like 200 pixels, something like that. And then if I do that, I do a width of like, let's say 480, maybe a padding of 80 pixels, and then I'll give the video itself, I don't think I can give the video a border radius. I don't think I can do that. Can I? I don't think I can. Oh, I can. Oh well. So I'll do like 20 pixels. And then I just need it to be so I'll have the height of this to be 100 VH. There we go. And then I'll take this color to be my background. And then I'll take like a lighter tone of that color to be the background of the video. So over here, the background of that. And then I can just delete the border, and then possibly give the container also a border radius of 5 pixels. Maybe I want to do everything uniform, so maybe this also 5 pixels. I think that's nicer. Alright, and let me see. Or maybe it shouldn't be that. Maybe I don't like those colors. I don't know. Okay, let me do debug mode and see what it looks like. Okay, I think that's fine. I could have made it bigger, but that's fine. Okay, that's good. Yep, okay, now bye.